The door settings on this 2026 Ioniq 9 are nothing short of amazing. Let's check it out. All right guys, so now we're gonna go into the door settings, and same thing, you're gonna swipe left, go setup, you're gonna go vehicle, and then you're gonna click door. Now you're gonna have a lot of selections here. Now to start off, automatically lock or unlock. Select the condition when all doors will lock automatically. Now either enable on speed or shift, or just on speed. Then automatically unlock, enable on shift, add vehicle off, or just completely turns off this feature. Now you also have the 2-press remote unlock. So we have this beautiful Hyundai key. You click twice and either all doors or just one door will unlock depending on your preference. Now unlock on approach or touch. This basically says that whenever you get near the car, it'll either unlock all doors or just the driver door. Again, you can highly customize this feature. Power liftgate, you can adjust the speed on how fast you want the back door or the liftgate to open up. Power liftgate opening height, pretty self-explanatory. If you see this little figure here, you can see that the door gets closer and closer to completely shut. Now you can adjust how much you want this liftgate to open up. Now smart liftgate, this one says for the liftgate to open automatically whenever you get close to the rear of the car, and open windows remotely. You can choose if you want this feature on your key by pressing the unlock button to open the rest of the windows all around the car. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you have any questions, please drop it up in the comments, and we'll see you next time.